Pero there are things nga I challenge them. I challenge them because I don't agree with them. And the moment your religion put you, kaya ang problema mo ko na bitong daghan kay silang gidili nimo, that's because they want to put you in a box. They want to put you in a box. They want to isolate you. Meaning, dili ka, so ang kanang mga dili nila is mura na siyang mahimong box. So ilaha kang korneron. Ilaha kang kanang isolate, kanang mag-inusara na lang ka ba nga wala na kay kauban. Kay the moment man good ma-isolate kanila, dali na lang kay kanila i-brainwash. Dali na lang kay kanila i-control. Dali na lang kay kanila i-convince into believing something. Kay isolated naman ka. Wala naman kay madunggan sa laing tao. Wala naman kay mapangutan-an. Mahadlok naman ka. You feel lonely naman. You feel controlled, you see? So the moment your religion put you in a box and isolate you, that's a red flag. Okay? So watch out, ladies.